Hello and welcome back to Learning Grammar. In this video, we are going to pick one assignment from module number 7, that is classroom assignment number 97 based on antonyms. Now, before we pick the assignments, we need to understand the pronunciation of this word. It is not antonyms, it's antonyms. Now, understanding antonyms is crucial because they help us enrich our vocabulary and improve our communication skills. So remember, it's not just about finding opposite words. And antonyms means opposite words. So it is not just about finding opposite words, it's about truly grasping their meanings. So let's jump in and check out whether your answers are correct or not. Write the antonym of the word in bold to complete the following sentences. She is always careful in her work, but her sister is quite careless. So I think it is easy. The opposite of careful is careless. He has not begun his work. When will he finish it? Do you find long division sums easy or difficult? This necklace is too expensive. I want to buy one that is quite cheap. Or you can also use the antonym inexpensive. The entrance to the mall is on the right and the exit is on the left. So the opposite of entrance is exit. These huge trees grow from such tiny seeds, or you can also use the word small as antonym for huge. Mullah Nasruddin appeared to be quite a foolish man, but actually he was very wise. She always does her work hastily, while her brother does it in a slow fashion. Hastily means hurriedly. So before we move forward, let me just clear this. It's good to be friendly, not only with one's juniors, but also with one's seniors. Yes, the next answer is seniors. Some students work slowly and some finish fast. The teacher was glad that her students were all obedient and not disobedient. The answer is disobedient. Please wait in a patient manner. Time will be wasted if you become impatient. Yes, the opposite of patient is impatient. I want the gangster dead or alive, said the police chief. A soldier must show courage in war, not cowardice. Look at the pronunciation of this word. It is cowardice. C-O-W-A-R-D-I-C-E. Cowardice. How can you read this boring book? Borrow one that is interesting. Let's move forward. Choose the correct antonym for the word in bold in each of the following sentences. Many students often make the mistake of picking similar words from the options given. So if you have 4 options, you need to be very careful. I encourage you to pause, think wisely, and make sure you understand both the synonym and antonym before making your choice. So let's attempt it. Why did you wet your hair? So the opposite of wet is dry. You look so familiar. Where have we met before? So we need to pick antonym for familiar, and the answer is unknown. I cannot make any sense of modern art. So the opposite of modern will be ancient. I will never fail to speak the truth. Pick antonym for never, which comes out as always. Do you think bungee jumping is safe? So risky. The tabletop has a smooth surface. Answer is clear. Rough. The accused did not admit his crime. So, the opposite of admit is deny. The beggar blessed the kind prince. The opposite of blessed will be cursed. You sound so dismal today. What happened? Said the ghost to Scrooge. So, dismal means sad. So, this is going to be the synonym for dismal. We need to pick up antonym, which will come out as cheerful. Be our guest, said the king to the visitor. The opposite of guest is host. Can I offer you something to drink? So the opposite of offer will be refuse. Let's move forward. The bee is a very industrious creature. Industrious means hardworking. So it is not going to be our answer. We need to pick the antonym for industrious, which is going to come out as lazy. So industrious does not have the antonym hardworking. Rather, it's the synonym for industrious. So the correct answer is lazy. The old king seems to have gone mad, said the general. So mad has the synonym insane. So the correct answer here will be sane. If we go on wasting water, it will become a scarce commodity. Look at the pronunciation of this word. It is not scarce, it is scarce. So the answer will be plentiful. Scarce means in short supply. Okay. The lion is a wild animal. The correct answer is tame. Tame means the animal which you can domesticate. These berries have a very bitter taste. The opposite of bitter is sweet. She is a clever little girl who learns very quickly. So the opposite of clever is stupid. Before buying the bread, make sure it is not stale. Stale means unfresh. So the correct answer will be fresh. John is a very humble man, and that is what makes him so popular in the village. The opposite of humble will be proud. The miserly old man left no tip for the waiter. So who is a miserly? Miser means close-fisted, or miserly means being unwilling to share with others. So here answer would be generous. I hope all your answers are correct. So feel free to drop your questions and comments below. Thank you for watching. Keep learning, keep growing.